Welcome to the first Mama Mia Pizzeria devlog. In this video series, I'm taking you on a journey through the development of my pizza-based VR game. In today's introductory episode, I'll explain what you can expect from a devlog and what the game is all about, the tools I use to build it, and what the plans for the future are. So sit back, grab a slice of your favorite pizza, and let's dive in. In this game, you are the owner and cook of a small pizza restaurant. Customers will come in and order pizzas, and it's your job to prepare and sell them. As you make more sales, you'll earn more money, which you can use to buy more ingredients, and that way you can expand your restaurant. The game is built using the Wonderland Engine, and all code is written in modern JavaScript in VS Code. I'm using Blender for 3D modeling, and Substance Designer and Pixel Edit for textures and other graphics. During the devlogs, I'll be showing you details on how different things are done during the development of the game. As I mentioned, this game is built using WebXR, which unfortunately means that there aren't that many code assets available and that I have to build most of them by myself. This includes building interaction with the controllers, which is a challenging process. It requires a lot of experimentation and testing to ensure that the interactions are seamless and intuitive for the players. I want to follow a similar way of working with single and double-handed interactions as more commonly done in Unity with the XR Interaction Toolkit or the VR Interaction Framework. I also plan on making this package available for you to use in your own games. In addition to building the game from scratch, I'm also learning how to use various tools like Blender and Substance as I progress. While this may make things a bit harder than just buying assets, it opens up possibilities to show you how to use these tools as well, as you can learn with me. This is the first time I'm doing devlogs and developing a game this way. I've done tutorials in the past, but nothing like this. It's a learning process for me as well as for you. Through these devlogs, I'll be sharing details on how different things are done during the development of the game. This includes everything from designing levels to writing the code that makes the game work. Overall, building a game from scratch is challenging but a rewarding process. I'm excited to share this journey with you and to see how the game evolves over time. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and let me know down in the comments what you are most excited about to see in this series. Stay tuned for more updates on Mama Mia Pizzeria.